really spoopy, but here we go. Hello. Okay. Next Would You Rather video, Halloween edition. Woo! Once again, I'm joined with a super spoopy, awesome, fabulous guest. Today I'm joined by the fabulous Charlie. Yay! Hi, Charlie.
Hi, Charlie.
This is weird. Oh, it's been a while since you've been in the video as well, isn't it? Would you rather 3?
3, I think, yeah.
A while ago now. So, in the time that it's been since our last Would You Rather video, what have you learned?
Makeup.
You have. See, he knows exactly what to say. He's a good friend. So, would you like to explain your fabulous cosplay?
So, I am kind of half cosplaying Alucard from the anime Hellsing or Hellsing Ultimate. He's a vampire, so hence the complexion. I kind of forgot the shirt though.
You don't need it, it's fine, it's beautiful. You have the gloves. You know how beautiful.
Very nice.
Yay. So, if you've never seen our Would You Rather videos before in the past, what we usually do is, I go on Twitter, I ask you guys to ask us some random Would You Rather questions, so this or that. Generally, they're horrible. This time around, they're usually obviously spoopy, as spoopy as you can get because it's Halloween, and we answer them as best we can. We haven't read through them yet, at all, as always. We literally go on Twitter, scroll through them, choose one, read it, answer it, bam. Get traumatised. Years of therapy. And of course, the Halloween Would You Rather videos would not be complete without the spoopy phone.
Already?
Already.
Do you want to answer it?
Cool. So, now that that's taken care of, let's get to your questions. Okie dokie. At Winchester805 says, would you rather be in a Purge or be in the Five Nights at Freddy's game?
I would say Five Nights at Freddy's game because there's nothing saying that I can't quit.
Oh shit. You could just quit. You could. Oh shit. Smart. Oh, well, I was going to say the Purge. But shit, I'm not going to now because that's genius. Because I was going to say the Purge purely because the paycheck, if you finish Five Nights at Freddy's, spoiler alert, in every freaking game, the paycheck is shit. It's shit. Have you seen it? You get like $10, something daft. It's incredibly insane for risking your life. But no,
whereas Purge, you could rob a bank and get away with it.
Or get shot in the head on day one. No,
yeah.
You're right, we just quit. You didn't specify that we don't have to. Fantastic. I mean, genius. That's the most manly thing I've ever done.
At RosieBird75 asks, would you rather become deathly allergic to anything Halloween related or deathly allergic to any and all makeup?
Halloween. I like makeup. A lot. I really like makeup. I could just paint my face as a bloody pumpkin. Oh no, I'd die. Oh,
because it's Halloween related.
Then
also,
I would invent a new holiday. Charlieween. No, that sounds like my willy. That does sound like. Oh no! Pinkween. It sounds worse. So anything holiday related to Halloween. So no decorations, no pumpkins. Let's go with that, I think.
No skeletons, no vampires, no werewolves. All Halloween related. Mummies. Basically anything you can dress up as for Halloween.
Alright, I would sooner not celebrate Halloween or do anything Halloween related and just stick to my makeup. I would. I'd have to. And if I'm not allowed to make my own extra holiday up, then fine. I guess I would have to just skip it. Which would make me heartbroken, but I would rather that than not do makeup because makeup is life.
What if someone requests you to do a Halloween related thing?
I would explode. You know what's really difficult? Every time we do these videos, making up a fake conversation just so we can wait for the... Oh, snap! Oh, that's totally part of the plan. Oh no, they're still there! You fuck. Hi! Shit. Dick! Hello, caller who is still clearly there. Ruin the magic!
Hello, Charlie. Hello, Charlie. Hope you can hear me above the brass band that I've got playing. I'm actually backstage at Chitty Chitty Bang Bang. And my question to you both is, would you rather spend a whole day, but it would be like Groundhog Day, that you would repeat forever, going to 10 children's parties and they're filled up with sweets and ice cream, or
would you rather wake up naked with the child catcher?
So yeah, let me know.
Oh my god, that was brilliant! Oh, thank you, Joe. god, thank you, Child Catcher, even though I never quite have to say that. Oh, that was beautiful. I kind of think the obvious question, the obvious answer is, well...
After that creepy voice in my ear, I think that's enough I've had of the Child Catcher.
As sexy as he looked, I don't really want to wake up naked next to him and Groundhog Day over and over and over again.
With ice creams, children's birthday parties. Doesn't say you have to stay.
Yeah, just leave, innit?
Just take the ice cream and leave.
Every day you could just take it. Yeah. Oh my god, we're so evil. I mean, it's either that or wake up naked next to the Child Catcher. I'm sorry, Child Catcher. I mean, you're the villain anyway, so we're not going to side with you. Why are we even debating this? We would sooner steal children. No, we're not stealing. We're going to a children's birthday. Not first. You're a children's birthday presents.
Well, it was Groundhog Day. You've got to go to 10 children's birthday parties.
Oh, so we're going to do it for 10 days?
No. You
In
have
one
to repeat
day?
that, 10 children's birthday parties in one day.
Yeah,
but you have to repeat that day over and over and over again. But there was nothing saying that you couldn't leave the party. Just turn up to and then leave the party. So I could just steal ice cream for each party and then go home.
You could also be really, really mean. Depending on how many times you do it, you'll know what presents the kids get. So if you wanted to be an arse hat, just as he goes, I wonder what it is, you could say, it sucks! Ruin his poor little surprise at each fucking party. And then it'd reset and you could be nice the next stage to make up for it. Sorted. Thanks, Joe. Thanks, Child Catcher.
Zion_Sapphire27 says, would you rather hang out with Slenderman or Thanos?
He's got a big fist. I mean, and it's jewel encrusted. Oh wow.
Okay, sorry. Hang out with.
I went straight there. Slenderman's dapper, the suit.
But also Slenderman's more likely to, kill you. Whereas hanging it out with Thanos is,
I suppose.
He can be normal when he's not in a war mode.
But he does have gems. He's a man that appreciates jewellery. I'm doing this in my
out.
Yeah, but we can talk about shit.
Thanos is less likely to kill you.
Yeah, alright. Fair, yeah, you're fine.
I would say
right.
Thanos.
Yeah, you got a good point. Okay, fine. Thanos. Usually it's me that talks people into things. You're right. Thanos. Okay, cool. Beautiful. The fist. Oh, I'm seeing him in a really different light now.
@Andy_undefined says, would you rather eat a cake made with cat meat or eat a human meat pie?
How is that Halloween related? Why would you... Human. I would eat human. I don't eat a freaking cat. So, human pie, cat cake. Either way, I ain't gonna eat pussy. So, not news to anyone. You couldn't eat kitty. I would sooner be a cannibal than be thought... No, would I? Oh no!
If no one told you what it was, I mean, you would know that there's meat in a cake.
You have... Okay, forget what the thing is.
Okay.
If someone put a gun to your head and said, eat this kitty cat pie or cake, you would sooner be a cannibal than eat kitty cat.
Yeah.
Yeah. Sugar. That's a really horrible question, but I couldn't eat kitty cat. I would... Oh. This is an ethical dilemma right here. You know what? For once, I'm gonna pass. I'm sorry you answered.
No.
You answered and I'm gonna pass.
Not allowed.
I can't. You can't because I would not eat kitty cat. No one would eat kitty cat, but no one would eat human.
Human might taste nice if you season it correctly.
Yeah, but anything would taste nice. I mean, you could probably season a turd. No. I refuse to eat a kitty cat, but I don't want to be a cannibal. Moving swiftly on, you've got my answer. Leave the kitty cat be. Some of these Twitter names are too impossible to pronounce. I mean, some of these have got like letters and characters in. I wouldn't know how to...
Who's calling this time of night?
I'll put my business voice on, ready?
Hello?
Hey Charlie, or Charlies. Would you rather never be able to eat another Twinkie for the rest of your life, or have to exclusively use Twinkies to apply your makeup for the rest of your days? Happy Halloween!
Right, to make that apply for both of us, let's say... I mean, you wear concealer?
I don't eat Twinkies.
You don't... What?!
I don't like them.
What? I don't know what... I'm really... You genuinely don't eat Twinkies? Thank you for the question, but I'm really... you don't eat Twinkies?
No.
Have you tried a Twinkie?
I've tried a Twinkie. I stole one from my parents' secret sweetie drawer, and I never got on with them.
This is a friendship deal breaker here. You know what? You just haven't had the right Twinkie. I'll feed you Twinkies. I'll put a Twinkie in your mouth. You will chew. You will enjoy. You'll enjoy it. Oh, fucking... Don't make it dirty. Don't make it wrong. Twinkies are never wrong.
I didn't have to worry about... I could quite happily never eat Twinkies again.
I can't answer this one. I can't. Right, I can't have... What? I could probably mix the cream... I could maybe make a concealer out of the Twinkie batter. I don't know.
But didn't she say that you could only use Twinkies to apply, so you don't actually have to make the...
Oh! Sorry, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, well, in which case, I mean, it's essentially like a bloody fluffy kabuki brush. And you could eat it, or you can eat
but
it
it's
afterwards,
greasy.
could you? It's covered in makeup.
But it's also greasy and...
So no brushes. Just Twinkies.
No brushes. You have to use Twinkies to apply every bit of makeup. It doesn't say that you can't, squish and mush.
I was going to
the
say,
Twinkies.
I'm literally thinking, squish, squish, mush, turned into a brush.
But imagine you're doing eye makeup and then, the crumbs get in your eye.
I mean, it's not hygienic. I mean, you would lose an eye. Oh no. Alright, fine. You're going to make me say it, aren't you? I
Yes.
would rather, if you're going to make me do it, not ever have Twinkies again. These are
Twinkies?
meant to be fun videos.
Makeup.
I would rather have makeup. These are meant to be fun, not dark and horrible, you absolute
They're fun for me.
mean. Bloody... That was a question aimed to hurt. Alright, go on then. Yeah, I'd much rather be able to do makeup than eat Twinkies.
Delicious Twinkies. and
That's
lots
made
of
me a little bit
flavours.
sad. Next question. Thank you for that, Meg. Oh, hello.
Hi.
Hey. At Shadowpaw16, good luck with this one. Would you rather sit in a bathtub full of spiders, wait, because I know what you're going to say, or walk through a cave full of wasps?
Wasps.
Really?
Arachnophobe.
Wasps? They might be like lovely little money spiders. They might just like nuzzle your... Ugh.
If
No.
there's a bath full of them, there's still enough of them for me to go...
I would shove cotton buds in my ears, my nose, everything. If there was a cave with a lot of wasps in, no. Spiders, at one time...
Hey. At no point does it say that the wasps are, gonna sting you.
They will sting you. I'm saying it now.
Why do you get to make up the rules of these questions?
Because it's my video. Yeah, no, I think it's fair to say the spiders won't hurt you because wasps are little fucking bastards. They will hurt you. You're more likely to die with wasps. I choose spiders. I don't want to choose spiders, but I choose spiders.
It also doesn't say how many wasps there are.
Full of wasps. We're talking an abundance of wasps. A plethora, even, of wasps.
Wasps.
Fine, spiders. Done and done. What if they crawl in my person? I could become the new Spider-Man. What will you become? Wasp Man. Dead.
At AshHusky28, would you rather never be allowed to do special effects horror makeup again, or the next scary one you did became permanent?
Oh, no. Because do I get to choose the next one I do?
Yes.
Oh. Well, then I would just do one that's, like, not three-dimensional. I'm really overanalyzing this. I would do something that's just face paint that become permanent. I could paint over it. It's like getting my face tattooed. It wouldn't make a difference. I could just put foundation over top of it. I could re-go, rather than ever do horror makeup again. That's just stupid.
Are we taking this as just the makeup will become permanent, or you actually become that character?
No, makeup permanent. It says permanent, you don't become it. Because if that was the case, I would make, I don't know, a demonic clown that shits gold bricks. In which case, actually, that I don't know, that there's no nice way of doing it. I'd become a demonic clown that, I don't know. Why is everything's coming to shit? Everything's shitting gold. Why is all I can think of is that? So I'd be a demonic clown that can make valuable things. Parts of me.
From your anus.
Yeah, but you know what I mean though? You could become a rich demonic clown if you become that thing. Why can't I think of something? Why can't I think of a character that's evil that is rich?
That isn't shitting gold.
I know! Gotcha. A horror character that's hair grows as diamond. And you cut it and it keeps growing. Done.
At MischiefMaker34 says, would you rather have a pet bat or a pet crow?
Sky puppy. I want a sky puppy. I want a sky puppy. Sorry, I really want one.
I'd probably say crow because they can be goth as fuck.
Yeah, you'll sit on your shoulder and...
Yeah, I'm a 3-piece tailored gothic suit with a crow on your shoulder.
Sky puppy. Sky puppy. I'm going with the bat.
I'm torn.
Tell you what, I'm just taking sky puppies for myself. They're all mine, you can't have them. You're stuck with a crow. You made your bed, now lie in it. With your crows. It's like the goth version of crabs. You've got crow.
Can I have both?
No. No, you can't. No, you have to choose one. Bats eat fruit.
Bats can't see.
Bats have sonar.
Crows have eyes.
So do bats. Bats aren't completely blind.
Just mostly.
They're like puppies. They have long tongues. They eat guava. I want a bat. I want a bat. I'm having a bat. You know what? Right after this, I'm going to go to fucking Bats R Us and buy a fucking bat. Anyway, next. I just got an email, right? Spooky singles in your area. Click here. Boop. Spooky singles! Well, we're not single. I can't do it. You answer it.
You're not single.
No, neither are you.
Neither am I.
We'll do it together. Okay, here we go. We both take the blame. Here we go. Ready? Hello.
Hello, Charlies.
Oh, it's Choppa.
My question isn't for you guys, it's for your audience. Would they rather bathe in a bathtub full of maggots or be trapped in a house full of deadly flesh-eating spiders? You can only pick one.
Oh, that's so not fair that we can't answer it. Oh, alright, well thank you so much for the question. Okay, well I guess you guys in the comments can answer it for us. Please let us know. Oh, I think, you know what, tell you what, you answer me in the comments and we'll give our answers there, I think, because then we're not breaking the rules. Fine. Alright, so let us know what you think. Okie dokie, so I think we're probably best to leave it there. Wow.
Your guys' tweets were a lot darker this year.
I mean, every year they get more spoopy, but every year I have to cut a lot more questions out because you go to dark places. Really dark.
You need help.
Oh, it's fabulous. I mean, it's not. Shit. Oh, well, thank you all so much for the questions. And thank you, as always, to our super spoopy guest callers on our super spoopy, totally real spoopy phone. Thank you, as always. Super real. I mean, it's not even plugged in. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I say it every bloody year. Hopefully we'll do another one of these throughout the year and it won't just be a Halloween thing, which it has become lately, unfortunately. We'll see. But mostly, thank you, Charlie, so much for doing this with me.
Thank you for having me.
Yeah, thank you for putting up with me. My friends put up with a lot of stuff with me. They really do. Any hoozle. I hope you guys have an absolutely fabulous Halloween. Until the next video, awesome bloody possum.